Hello everyone, it's me Rajiv here and welcome back to new video. Today I will be starting a new sketchbook and I am super excited to show you guys how I designed the inside cover. So guys, the sketchbook I am using today is from Anupam brand and is a normal sketchbook of A5 size. This sketchbook is good for drawing medium drawings, and in this sketchbook I will do art challenges and I will share art challenges video on my channel. So stay tuned guys, and if you have not subscribed my channel yet, then please do subscribe. So for today I am going to doodle all of my favorite things in this sketchbook. I have never drawn drawing like this. I am doing this type of drawing for the first time, so let's see how I doodle my favorite things.
It's not a game, it's a rich game. It's not a game, it's a rich game.